Many people avoid red meat for various reasons. But red meat is very useful for increasing blood in the body as well as muscles. Don't completely avoid eating red meat because it raises cholesterol or isn't good for your heart. As it enters our body, it has various uses. Eating red meat in moderation is good for the body, whether for children or adults. Let's see what are the advantages of these red meats. 1. Beef. Let's start with the beef itself. Beef is considered by many to be the most dangerous to eat. But eating beef in moderation is not only not harmful to the body, it also has many benefits. Beef is rich in iron, zinc, and vitamin B12. Moreover, the main fatty acid present in it is oleic acid. This means that all olive oil contains oleic acid. It is known to be heart healthy. It also helps in reducing blood sugar in the body and improves bone health. Similarly, various studies have shown that oleic acid has the ability to reduce depression levels. In addition to oleic acid, beef also contains creatine, glutathione, and linoleic acid. If we eat it in moderation, it is good for health, but if we consume it in excess, beef can lead to many health problems. 2. Pork. Some consider pork a white meat. However, pork is also a red meat. By taking good pork, vindaloo, pork fry and pork curry are all favorite dishes of most people. The fat in pork is generally said to be good. Eating this pork also has many benefits for the body. Let's see what they are. The first is that it contains a lot of thiamine or vitamin B1. No other meat can contain as much vitamin B1 as pork. As it contains vitamin B1, it helps in maintaining metabolism as well as protecting heart health. Also, it contains a lot of selenium and zinc which help to boost our immune system. Moreover, it helps reduce stress and boost hormone production. When eating pork with so many benefits, it is essential to eat it well cooked. Because it contains good bacteria. If it is not cooked well, it can cause accumulation in our body. 3. Mutton. Mutton is generally considered to be the most medicinal meat. Goat's milk, mutton meat and goat bone are all used for many ailments. Similarly, mutton is also the most expensive meat. This lamb is rich in selenium, zinc, vitamin B, as well as omega-6 and omega-3. Therefore, eating it is more beneficial for the body. It also helps in maintaining bone health. 4. The duck. How delicious it is to make good mapas with duck meat and eat it with bread. Not only the taste, like other meats, duck meat is rich in phosphorus, selenium and vitamin B also. Duck meat helps in boosting immunity. Not only duck meat, but also duck eggs are good. Duck is good for reducing many skin allergies. 5. Chicken meat. Chicken meat is the meat most people like to eat. There are people who eat chicken no matter how it is prepared. There are many people who like to eat it because it is cheaper than other meats. Chicken is low in fat and calories but high in protein. That's why bodybuilders eat a lot of chicken. It also contains phosphorus, potassium, selenium, vitamin B, minerals, gelatin and collagen.